How to find all your Likee friends. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find all your Likee friends on Likee app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your app, and once you are here, click on chat at the bottom, and you're gonna find the plus icon up there. Click on it. So here you're gonna find all your Likee friends, easy and quick, and all your Likee friends will be here. You can now click on it. Like you see, I have an option which is find friends. You can click on it and find more friends on Likee app. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful to you, or if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.